In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Bitbucket username. This is especially useful when you're setting up Git remotes, configuring SSH, or authenticating tools that ask for your Bitbucket username rather than your display name. We'll keep it simple and stick to a reliable path inside the Bitbucket interface. Start by opening your browser and going to bitbucket.org. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Bitbucket account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard or a recent project. The exact landing page isn't important as long as you can access one of your repositories. Next, click on any repository you can open in your account or workspace. You don't need admin access to find your username in this context, but you do need to be able to view the repo. If you belong to multiple workspaces, pick a repository from the one you use most often to avoid confusion later. Inside the repository, look toward the left sidebar and find the repository settings. It's usually a gear icon near the bottom left. Click it to open the repo settings panel. If you don't see it, try expanding the sidebar or zooming out slightly in your browser. In some cases, limited permissions can hide certain settings. If that happens, switch to a repository where you have more access. Within the settings panel, locate and click the section called Repository Aliases. This area shows alternate ways Bitbucket references your repository, which is where your username often appears in context with clone URLs and related examples. It's a handy place because it reveals the exact identifier Bitbucket expects for operations that require a username. On the repository aliases page, you'll see your username indicated alongside the alias information. This is the username associated with your Bitbucket account, not just a display name. Take a moment to copy it carefully. It's common to confuse usernames with workspace IDs or team names, so make sure you're capturing the user-specific identifier shown here. If the page provides example clone commands, your username may appear before the @t symbol in the URL. That's a quick way to validate you've got the right value. That's all you need. Head to bitbucket.org, open a repository, go to the repository settings on the bottom left, open repository aliases, and your username will be right there. Keep it somewhere secure if you plan to reuse it across tools, and remember that user interfaces can change slightly over time. So the wording or placement may shift, but the path is the same.